Everybody, AJ Colby here in the Weather Center, and happy Friday to you. It is a beautiful day, even though it's on the cool side. Still, it's just gorgeous with bright sunshine and a few puffy clouds up there from time to time. Most of the cloud cover moving out this morning from northwest to southeast. We'll be looking at that on satellite here momentarily. Also, the potential for rain will be on the increase shortly. There is a little bit of a silver lining to that, and that is we'll get it out of here in time for Mother's Day. It looks like the timing will remain true on that. All right, let's have a look at Crib Cam here. This is from the Cleveland Water Division, looking toward downtown Cleveland, and what a shot! Boy, does that simplify the need to really put many words to our day today. It's just a lovely afternoon. You'd think the winds would be and the waves would be crashing in a little bit more, but not so much. In fact, we'll have a look at the nearshore forecast now through the overnight hours. It's a northwest wind right now. Eventually will become offshore, 5 to 10 knots. Wave action a foot or less. And then for mariners tomorrow, if you plan to wet the keel, south winds becoming west at 10 to 15 knots, and the wave action a little bit more bumpy, I would say, at 1 to 3 feet. The water temperature is up a couple notches now. We're up to 50 degrees, but that's taken at a depth of about 30 feet or so. So it is a little bit warmer topside. Still not really that great of a swimming situation, that's for sure. All right, let's have a look at satellite imagery, and boy, does this really tell the story of how the day went today. You can see cloud cover dissipating pretty rapidly here as we put it in motion, and I know we're going to do that. You can see the northwestern part of the state is basically sunny, and it was all day today. All right, the computer knows it's Friday. Winds out of the north, and they'll continue to stream in dry air for the evening and overnight hours, but I do believe the rain on the horizon will arrive tomorrow morning, probably around 8 or 9 o'clock. We can see a few of those first vestiges right there. You have to look way to the northwest. That's where the leading edge of the cloud cover for the next weather system is showing up over Wisconsin and parts of Minnesota. Starting to see some rain up there right now. A little wider view shows that band of cloud cover. It almost looks like an Alberta Clipper type system diving over the Great Lakes. It is eventually going to pay off in some rain for us, I think. And the timing on the showery weather appears to be after sunrise tomorrow. Thunder Bay down to the Twin Cities, seeing some rain right now. Also another round of showers from New York down to D.C., Buffalo included in some showery weather, and then east of Quebec on over toward Halifax and Nova Scotia, it's snow there, so at least we're not contending with snowflakes as we get deeper into the month of May. So how do the maps look? Well, you see clearing tonight, no problems. There's the weather system as it dives in overnight, and by tomorrow morning, the front is just entering, I'd say, northwest Ohio. So there'll be showers associated with it. Could we hear thunder? Not out of the question. So I'll include that in the forecast. Tomorrow afternoon, still showing showers and thunderstorms as this thing pivots to the northeast. As it rolls through by Sunday morning for Mother's Day, may hang on to a little bit more cloud cover out east, but the rain appears to have cleared, and Sunday evening still dry over the Buckeye State. So a little closer look at how these clouds shake out. And you can see basically clear skies here through tonight, but here come the high and or the mid and low level cloud cover associated with that weather system, thickening our clouds about sunrise tomorrow morning. And the clouds hang in there until Sunday morning. Even on Sunday morning, still showing a little bit of a cloud deck here early for Mother's Day, but no worries. It does clear out in time for a basically sunny day for Mother's Day. How about Futurecast radar? You'll see the rain assemble right there with that system. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. You can see it just pushing through greater Cleveland, Akron, Canton area, and then heading off to the east. This is the evening hours on Saturday after about 6 or 7 in the evening. It appears the whole package does eventually get out of here by that time. So we'll put it together. Mostly clear, cool tonight. Uneventful. It'll be on the cool side. May want to grab a jacket on the way out the door. 48 the overnight low. Sundown at 8:35. Winds will be light and variable. And then for tomorrow, showers are likely. An isolated thunderstorm can't be ruled out. No severe weather is expected, though, but maybe a rumble or two. 62 tomorrow for a high, below average by about a half dozen degrees. Sunrise 6:12, winds south becoming north, freshening at 10 to 15. Here's a look at the extended outlook now. And our pleasant weather for Mother's Day has hung in there. The forecast appears to be right on track, which is great news, obviously, for moms. And we say around Mother's Day is when it's okay to start sticking stuff in the ground. Flowers, plant life, etc. does better. We have a statistically smaller chance for frost and freeze. Overnight low down to 50 Sunday night. Here comes the rain on Monday again, so we get a little respite one day. Perfect timing for Mother's Day. Warmer temperatures Monday up to 75. The rain should hold off until the afternoon on Monday, so the earlier you can get your plans in for outdoors on Monday, the better, if that's possible. Mild on Tuesday, still just a touch cooler, around 70. And then on Wednesday, a chance for a few showers. We'll give it a 30% probability right now, and still pretty mild. The temperature topping out around 70 degrees. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And thanks so much for joining me and getting the weather here today and your forecast, as always. May it be sunny for Mother's Day. Take care and happy Mother's Day, all the moms out there. Bye-bye.